Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video I'll just be showing you guys how to change a cabin filter in a F30. So I have a 2012 BMW F30 335i, and I'm just gonna make this video a quick and simple one. So all you need is a 10mm thing. I just have a 10mm ratchet here, and also you need a T20 screw. So this is the one I have. So yeah, first of all, I'll give you guys the link to the one I have. So this one is actually from Amazon, and I think this is as cheap as you're gonna get. That's actually still a good one. I don't remember how much this one was. I'll put it up on screen for you guys, but it's a good cheap one. So I'm just gonna change this out because my car, it's not smelling very good. So I'm just gonna change it out real quick. I'll show you guys under there. What you need to do is just a quick and simple thing. Okay, so don't mind how dirty my car is. This is just winter and I can't wash it, so can't do any better. But first thing, you want to come under here, and you're gonna want to unscrew these two screws. Let me see if I can get it on camera for you guys first. So this one right here, like, it's 10mm. This is what you need the socket for. And then there's another one on that side. So it's just this one here and this other one up here. So you're gonna want to remove that, and then you're pretty much gonna just pull this thing off. So I'm just gonna remove those screws and then show you guys how to pull this off. But it just comes right off though. You can already see it kind of coming off. I think the screws are actually loose, but yeah. So just screw that off and then you can pull this thing off. I'll show you guys that, but I can't record while doing it because I'm recording myself. I only have one hand. Okay, so I'm literally just in PJs right now because it's Christmas. It's Christmas Day that I'm making this video. But yeah, so I just got the screws out. I just had them right there, and all you got to do now is just pull this thing off. I'll try to hold it and show you guys. Yeah, you pretty much just want to snap it out of place. So you just gotta pull on it, but don't pull on like one flexible part too much because you don't want to break it. Okay, so now you just want to remove that connection. I'm pretty sure you can do it without removing that, but it's way easier to remove it because you can just put this aside and get more space to work with. So let me see if this is like a little clip thing. Yeah, there's a little clip on the back of it there. So you just, or is there? Yeah, you just press down on it, pull it out, and you can just put this to the side. And once you go back underneath there, all that's left is a T20 that you gotta remove. I'll try to get that on camera for you guys as well. It's really hard to do it while recording though, like I said. But where is it? Yep, so it's that one right there. Let me try to show you. There's one right there. You guys can see. There's gonna be another on that side. So it's to the left, so you go under there, look to the left, and you're gonna see that it's on this little curved part, that little curved thing. It's right in there. So it's just pretty much holding the cabin filter in. So you just remove that T20, remove this one. Okay, so I also didn't mention this part, but when you're pulling it out, it's gonna be hard to come out. But you got this little thing here, this little tab. It's pretty much right beside where you take the screw from. Well, not really. You take the screw from there and down there. But you're gonna have this little tab there on that side and this little one right here. You pretty much just want to push. It's just gonna slide right out of place. So just make sure you guys do that, or else it's not gonna come out. And the filter, as you guys can see, it's coming out right there. It's freaking dirty. No wonder the car had that weird smell. I wouldn't be surprised if there's like a spider in that thing. But let me just try to drag it out. Damn, that's dirty. I don't even want to touch it. I need gloves or something. That is filthy. Yeah, that thing's very dirty. Like, all those leaves came from inside of this. So you guys just grab the new one and pretty much redo the process. Alright guys, so when you're putting back the thing in, just make sure everything is lined up. Make sure the thing is going over that. Like, you see this little pointy thing? Yeah, make sure it's all in place, because when it goes on, it shouldn't fall off without even screwing it. Like, without the T20s in there, it should still be held in place. You can feel it clips in. So if it doesn't clip in, make sure it clips in. and then you screw it in. You don't want to tighten the screws too much, you know, it's not going to fall out. So just tighten the screws until they stop, but you don't need to like put any force on it. But just make sure everything is clipped into place. Make sure it's all lined up. Everything should clip in, so just make sure that. And the arrow that I show you guys, just make sure it's pointing to the front of the car. I know it's gonna be a bit tricky, but like take my finger as the arrow. Just make sure the arrow is pointing that way. Once it's pointing that way, you know, you go under there, you curve it, and the arrow should still be pointing to the front of the car. You know, so it's a little bit tricky to explain, but you know, it's very simple. You guys should get what I'm saying. Now I'm just gonna plug this back onto the thing and screw that into place, and I'll just show you guys when it's done. Alright guys, so it's all in place, and that's how it should look. So it's not gonna shut seal, like, you know, I think that's how it should look. That's how it looked before. So, and every clip is in place, so if it's not like seal, it's good, because as you guys can see, like, it's kind of cut out to be that way. I guess it's so you can get your hand under there a little bit to pull it out. But yep, that's it. Pretty simple cabin filter change. But if you guys like this video, you know, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.